Hello, I really wanted to come really quick here. I wanted to show you really quick how I store my collections, and I do use the storage from Hobby Lobby, the storage memory keepers, and I try to get them on sale. So when they're on sale from Paper Crafts, that's when I pick them up, and they're usually half price. So, and then I just take my label maker and I write the person who designed it, and then I write the paper collection or the collection's name on it. Then I put it here on the side, which I'm gonna do. So I just peel it and I put it right here where it starts, the little line there. Where it starts the little line there, I just put it there so that all of them will be the same. And then I just go straight up like that. And then once I get a 12 by 12 paper pack, that's when I put it in these plastics. So since I did get the Willow Lane, and I have the gift wrap, and then the stickers that I have, the 6 by 8 pads, and then the rest of the stuff that I have, I put them in this plastic here. I'm going to show you how I do that. So usually if I have the 12 by 12 stickers, I put the book first and the stickers behind it, so that I know that I have the stickers. So I would put the stickers facing this way, like that. But I don't have the stickers. So I usually make sure that it goes in the first little snap. And I do the 6 by 8 paper pad, and I try to put it in the first little envelope so that it won't break over here. Then I put the stickers on one side like that, and then I put whatever else I have. I even it out. I try to put it evenly like this. And then over here like that, so that it won't be so bulky. And since I do have the 2 big gift wrap, I'm only going to put one in here, and I'm going to put it facing in the back. It shows like that on the back side. See the paper pad, the 12 by 12 paper pad, and then this. And then I close it and I put it into the rest of my storage that I have over there. And if I have 2 or more, excuse me, I put it to the side, and I know that I have 2 or more. And then I stand it up like that. See, it's not bulky and it's not breaking the side there, because everything is, the stickers and stuff are up here, and the paper pad and the gift wrapping is in this flap here, so it won't break there. Because I was shoving everything at the same time, and it did break on some of them, so that's why I do it like this, and it won't break. So these are the collections that so the Sunny Days, I did have only the project pad, and I put the stickers in the back. These are the stickers, and then the paper pad that I just bought is right there. That's Sunny Days, and that's what I have on sunny days. And my Marigold, the 6x8 paper pad that I have, and I only have 12x12 sheets from the Marigold, so I need a 12x12 paper pad. And I do write this down in a little book so that when I do go to the store, I see what's missing, and I try to look for what I'm missing. So these are the ones that I already have. The 12x12 paper pads. I have the Flourish, the Carousel, and Bloom. I already have in my collection here, so I could use these for anything else. So I put those to the side. But now I need to find stuff for Gather from Maggie Holmes. So that I could build up my collection, I know I need the stickers, ephemera, stickers, you name it. I need everything from Gather so that I could put it here. And if I don't find anything, it's okay. I'll just put it to the side and I'll use it for any crafting that I have. So that's how I store my collections. And I do have more collections of different. I have Jen Hatfield and Vicki Boutin, but I love Maggie Holmes more than any other one lately. So that's why I guess I'm buying more of Maggie Holmes lately. So that's a little tip that I store my collections, and I hope this helps anyone. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.